Veteran Jamaican singer-songwriter Ernie Smith has died at the age of 80. Smith, whose given name was Glenroy Anthony Michelangelo Smith, passed away on Thursday at a hospital in Florida following a period of illness. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, paid tribute to the late artist, describing him as one of the finest contributors to Jamaican music. She said she was deeply saddened by his passing and highlighted his legacy of hit songs from the late 1960s and 1970s, including Dopey Gunman and Life is Just for Living. Minister Grange notes that although his voice has been silenced, his music will continue to resonate for generations. She also extended condolences to his family, wife, friends, and wider music fraternity. For his part, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says, quote, "His unmistakable voice and powerful storytelling gave us timeless songs like Life is Just for Living, Doppy or Gunman, and Pitter Patter, which have become part of the soundtrack of our lives." Dr. Holness says, quote, "He's established himself as one of our most gifted songwriters and performers, earning admiration both at home and across the world." Opposition leader Mark Golding also paid tribute, describing Mr. Smith as a gifted songwriter whose work captured the spirit of the Jamaican people and helped define a generation.